Hey, y'all. Happy Tuesday. So, I got me another package in. Y'all know this is a fragrance package. I'm so excited to smell these fragrances. But my name is LashawnTerry. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Please give me a thumbs up on the way in. Subscribe and click that notification bell. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. And let's roll this intro while I open up this box. Okay, this is just going to be an unboxing and showing you the scents that I got. This is not going to be a smell test because I have too many of them and I got to hurry up and get out of here. I have a basketball concession. So all of these are new scents to me. So the first one we have is Do Is Fantasy. I hope this smells good. We got White Milk Gourmand Escape. He did so many white milk scents it's not even funny. But that's White Milk Gourmand Escape. I probably didn't need that one. I have white milk. I don't have Gourmand Escape. The Rise of Pina Colada. Everybody has been saying that they actually love this scent, and I want to smell it because I am a pineapple lover. Oh my gosh, y'all, that smell good. Oh, Lord have mercy, it smell good, yeah. Goodness. Yeah, I would love a backup one of those. Yeah, that smells so good. Right out the bottle. This is the Heaven of Fruity Sweetness. We got French macaroons. That's why I told you I didn't actually, okay. French macaroons. We got Caribbean Waters. I kind of went out my little comfort zone with this one. So I'm going to smell this one too. Oh yeah, that smells nice. Yeah, that smells nice. Caribbean Waters. Yeah, that smells nice. I like that. Let's hurry up. I got Gourmand Escape. That's why I said I didn't need white milk Gourmand Escape because I have white milk. I have condensed white milk. And then this is Gourmand Escape. So I could have put those two, sprayed those two together. I have French macaroons and white milk. Again, I probably didn't need this one, but I just went on ahead and got it because I have white milk and then I just got French macaroons. And the last is pineapple and cream filling. So I need to smell this one too. Okay. I'm feeling it. You know, I don't know when I'm gonna get back to actually do these scents. I probably let them I don't know, over the weekend or something like that, or maybe Thursday. I have a pretty busy week, so we'll see when I will get back to these. But let me know if you have these. Let me know how you like them. If you do have any of these, I know the French macaroon has been out for a long time, but He just restocked it in April. So that's a pretty hard one to get your hands on. And I could tell you now that's sold out. All of the white milk and its affiliates are all sold out. I would say white milk. They had a condensed caramel white milk, and I wanted that one. They had a marshmallow dream. I wanted that one, and I was working concessions, and I was so busy, I totally forgot about the Dua haul. And so I really want some more marshmallow fragrances. So yeah, I will see y'all in a little while. Let me also add this on here because I just got it as well. So for some of you that may be new here, I do have a few Bond 9 body silk reviews and unboxes and stuff. And if you've been following me since like November, December, I've been looking for Bond number 9 Park Avenue South in the body silk for months. Nobody has it. Bond 9 online is sold out, never came back in stock. And the only stores that have it is the Bond 9 in New York, in Manhattan. So that is the only place that you're going to be able to buy it from. They do on the phone orders. The process is that they will email you out a form for you to fill out, giving them permission to charge your card. You have to put your card info on there, your name, address, all of that, and email it back to you. Email it back to them, to the store that you're going to purchase it from. And once they have that on file, you don't have to go through that anymore because they already have it on file. You just call the store, let them know what you want to purchase, and they will have your card information. They just charge your card, wrap it up, and ship it out to you. I did order this over Easter weekend. I want to say it was Saturday. I ordered this. Because I was in New York, and we stopped at the store after the guy told me on Thursday that they were going to be open from 11 to 7. We get there about 5:30 and they were closed. Yes, it was Good Friday, but the guy said they was going to be open. And when I called them Saturday, I said, hey, the guy told me y'all was going to be open. We get there about 5:30 and y'all was closed. And she said, oh, the corporate called and said that we can close at 5. Okay. After that wild goose chase, because we kind of had to go out of our way to get over to, and I ordered this from the Madison Avenue store. So yes, you can do over the phone orders. You're just going to have to do that authorization form with your information and your credit card number on the form, and they keep that on file, and you can continue to order from the store, from any store, I believe, if they don't have what you're looking for in any of the stores like Saks Fifth Avenue, Nordstrom's, or anything like that. You will be able to buy from the store in New York anytime you want. So that is that. I will come back later with these reviews. Once I use them, I will come back with the smell test, the sniff test on the Duas, hopefully by the end of the week or the weekend. And until then, peace and be safe.